Check, check, 1, 2. Hello, hello. Is this thing on? Is it off? What is it? What is it? What is it? Meh. I'm somewhere between there and there. That's good enough. Okay, so I want to do an unboxing video. Seems to be all the fucking rage, you know. You get a box, you open it up, you go, look, I bought something. And everybody goes, yay! Yes, you guessed it. That company that's not paying me to advertise their brand. It's somewhere between A and Z, I think. So unless, yeah. Oh, what's that? Woohoo! Ooh. Ooh. Well, there you have it. I bought some shit and I unboxed it. Fucking like and subscribe and all that, man. Okay, I'll start with the little bits and I'll work up to the big bits. Well, I said I was going to start with the bits. Okay, so then. So I got these tungsten carbide milling bits, but I'm not going to show you the brand name on the other side because they're not fucking paying me. Because I have 26 subscribers and if you want my 26 friends to know all about your shit and all my 4 views, you're going to have to pay me. So anyway, I got these end mill bits, tungsten carbide. Supposed to be strong, supposed to be mighty speedy and sharp. So I got these end mills. Then I got these. Crikey, I got some PCBs. I feel like Dave from EEV Blog. Just less excited. Just less excited. Ow! I swear to God, Dave's going to ruin me. He's going to be like, to all his viewers, don't listen to that fucking Kixie guy. Oh, don't cut yourself. I know. I get excited. Cut myself shaving. Well, let's hope not because, wow. Don't get too excited there, little boy. All right. So just for fun, I got these single-sided copper-clad PCBs. Only single-sided. Well, I needed something for now, for test. You know, these are cheap. They're cheap as chips. So I'm leading up to something here. Tungsten carbide, brand name, and milling bits, and they're from a 0.3 millimeters all the way up to big and fat. So I don't care because I only need the really small ones. And a whole bunch of PCBs. Now, crikey, let's see what's in the box. Go easy. I should just be using my razor knife, but I fucking forgot where I put it. Oh, it's over there. Huh. Hey. my, well, when I get done, it'll be my modified Hebo 4000. Fuck. I'm gonna end up fucking cutting myself with this shit. Wouldn't be the first time. They use some damn good tape. We're still unboxing. It's like the reverse of boxing. We're unboxing. Whoa! I think this is a 750 spindle motor. Spindle motor. Seems to be in tune. Seems to be in tune. Yeah, they said that this one's a little better quality than the fucking other shittier one they usually do. This is like the China-made garbage pro version, so it's, you know, it's half as junky. Half as junky, like a junkie with a monkey. And it comes with this worthless ass fucking control board. Up, down, over. What am I gonna do? If I can etch a sketch pictures? But whatever, it fucking came in it, and so I don't have to make another board with a little display. So yeah, I'm gonna use the computer and software, so this won't mean shit. Like, I can navigate and grab the fucking Gerbil file and go, and then if I want the machine to be standalone, but I'm gonna use proper software, so this little box is just a fucking box. But this is so you can navigate the fucking XYZ axis of the bit of the. It's a desktop milling engraving machine, you know, to make PCBs. Right, Dave? PCBs. PCBs. But I won't use it. I mean, but I have it. Here's the China-made milling bits that come with it. Fucking shit. Use them for cardboard, soft-ass plastic, but not for what I need, so it goes in the bin with the rest of the shit. Now, I'm not going to act like I know what the fuck I'm talking about, because, you know, I don't. And neither do you. No. Well, who knows? And boy, and howdy, here is the circus board. Seems to be fairly solid. Good quality, decent quality. Double-sided. Let me get me spectacles. Let me get me spectacles. Well, fuck me, Billy. This is fucking looks like a ROHS compliant, fucking full solder mask, silk screening in the whole fucking bit, dude. That, like, you can't go wrong with that. Let's have a look-see. Well, you won't be able to see, but I've got my my boy and howdy crikey fucking USB microscope, so I can see. You're not going to be able to see, but I can see up there and up there. Yep, and it's got these It's got these purple fun stepper motor driver boards. $88.25, stepper motor drive boards. They're okay. They have the little baby potentiometer for more focus power. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it looks like nothing's gonna fall off the board. The solder looks good. I might have to check it with my moldy meter. The solder. I can't help making fun of the Australian guys. They like making fun of us too. They're like, "Oh, I'm American, blah blah blah." The Brits do it to us too. So fuck it. They're actually using an ST. Wow. It's what it says on the tin, but it doesn't look like the fakey ST voltage regulator, the 78M05, but it's an ST branded one. Doesn't look like a fakey. You can tell by the logo on there. Yeah, it looks like a good bit of kit. And the older version used to have a Atmel 328, Atmega 328 on a little fucking Arduino, like a Uno board. And they used to have the Uno board on here. Well, on a different board, they used to have the Arduino Uno just fucking soldered to the board. And then the three separate steppers were plugged in, different design. This is supposed to be the upgraded Pro version, which means just not as shitty. Pro? I don't know. I fucking don't know about Pro, but fucking decent bit of kit. The real Atmel chip, not a China knockoff. It's got the USB CHG 340. That they say you need a driver for it or whatever. Under Linux, my builds already have that. So reset button in case all goes bonkers. It fixes everything. No. Yeah. Well, I'm happy to report that that's a good quality circuit board. It's supposed to have upgraded bearings and bushings here too. This is the housing. Well, this is the stepper for the drill motor. Drill motor, assembly, and stepper. Yeah. One bearing's a little smashed there. Well, bushing, whatever the hell you want to call it, but the machining on the thread bar doesn't look too great here. I might have to deburr some. Might have some hang-ups on that. I mean, the plastic's good quality. The stepper motor is not the same as the steppers I've used on my my 3D printer. Has a little better quality steppers. There's already some binding on this worm gear on the stepper already, so we're going to have to address that. This should be moving freely. This is your Z-axis. This takes your drill motor up and down. That's your Z. X and Y is this way. So this Z-axis motor, you know, it should spin freely and bring this carriage assembly up and down freely, and it fucking binds. It's shit, but hopefully I'll take this whole assembly apart, do a little deburring, a little lubrication, hopefully that'll move freely. There's hope for it. I don't know. I've got a lot to do. I'm not sure about these steppers. They're quite generic. There's no brand. There's no. Yeah, they'll probably be quite noisy. But I can upgrade the steppers. No big deal. They'll bolt up. They have the same bolt pattern, same voltage, same control pins and such. So we're good there. Chinky 4-amp power supply. No. 5-amp. 5-amp output, 24 volts. So that's a Lite-On electronics. So yeah. UL China made, but knock on wood, hopefully that'll be a good supply. Backtracking to the board, it's got the separate plug for your laser. So if you want to change the drill motor to a laser, you can laser cut. If you do that, you want to beef up the power supply. If you're going to bump the laser to, you know, a 5-watt laser, 5,000 milliwatt, that supply is supposed to be able to, in this board, well, this is just control circuitry, but the supply, if you beef up the supply, you can control, you know, a 5-watt laser, 10-watt laser. If you beef up the supply, the rest is just control. It should work. And the rest is just frame. So, well, that's the extent of the unboxing video I'm going to do, because I don't give a shit about doing unboxing. I care more about building this fucking thing and making things happen. How about that? And I haven't done inventory on much of it, but there's going to be some. I might just go down to more bearing. And you can get roller bearings or bushings this same size. I'll press fit new ones, way better quality ones. That's the thing with these Chinese kits. You want to take half of this shit and throw it in the bin and just put better quality bushings, bearings. You want to use Loctite on anything you put together that's going to stay together. I've got other tools, micrometer, a few other things. Check tolerances. USB cable. Maybe mini disc with whatever. Probably open source flat cam software or some shit like that. It's all GRBL, you know, like the G code for this. Yeah, it's all that. So without further ado, I'm gonna fuck off, and I'm not gonna be on YouTube till this damn thing's done. And to the bench it goes. Let's get it all over onto the other bench. To my Uber bench said Ubermensch. To my Ubermensch, said Ubermensch. Now that you mention it. I don't know if I mentioned. Oh yeah, I did. Well, I opted for the tungsten carbide ones. They cut quite well. They have some titanium ones. I don't know. I haven't tried those, but a good tungsten carbide end milling bit. You know, mill bit, end mill bit. Um, they'll cut through a lot of material like butter when you have super sharp, high quality end mill bits. That's just, and that'll put less load on this flipping motor, and we should get some pretty smooth cuts on our PCBs. Oh, what do I know? I'm just a hack, man. Boy, crikey, I'm excited. I act like I've never used one before. I have. I've used the big boy machines, but this is a good little one. Well, it will be. If I have to hack the shit out of it, mod half of it, it'll still be decent. Well, for a desktop mill, it's not a fucking Bridgeport mill. You're not gonna mill anything that's too hard or thick, even with the good little end mill bits. But it'll cut through plastic and wood, and it'll etch PCBs. That's all I want, is it to etch prototype PCBs. That's it. I've got the laser coming later. I didn't want that 2500 milliwatt one. I wanted a 5500 milliwatt one, because if we're gonna burn shit up, well, let's fucking do it. And later, I can etch the boards in acid. I can just paint the fucking clad, then use the laser to burn away the paint, and then fucking dip them. But that just seems like more of a process. If this mill will just mill them out, and then I can just slap my solder paste on it and bake the fucking cookies, I'll be happy with that. So we'll see. Over and out.